Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Discord, a powerhouse platform where gamers, hobbyists, and even study groups come together. Whether you're looking to join your first server or simply need a refresher, you've come to the right place. We're covering everything you need to know to join both public and private Discord servers. So let's get started. To join on any server, you need to tap on the plus icon you can see in the left hand side and tap on join a server. Here you'll need to enter the link of the server which you want to enter. Then you can simply tap on join server and there you have it. Whether public or private, joining Discord servers is your ticket to becoming part of vibrant online communities. Just remember, each server has its own rules and cultures, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.